guys, welcome back. In today's video we'll be talking about Helio Cash. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is the website of Helio Cash. You can access it by going to helio.cash. As per the website, it is the algo coin which follows the price of Ethereum. So that way you can have higher returns normally, which is only found on risky assets, but also at the same time you get exposure to the favorite cryptocurrency of the world. Helio is currently pegged via algorithm to a 4,000:1 ratio to ETH, and $4K ETH would be equal to $1 Helio peg. You have an option to stake your Helio ETH LP in the farm and you can earn ETH share rewards, and after that you can stake ETH share into the boardroom to even more Helio tokens. Currently the total value locked is $75,000. The market cap is mentioned over here. This is the total circulating supply and the total supply of the token. When it comes to ETH share, the current price is 22.15 Matic equals $18.37 per ETH share, and the market cap is mentioned over here as well. We got ETH bond, and currently there are 4,000 ETH bond tokens, and 0.73 ETH would be equivalent to $0.25 per ETH bond token. We also have Helio ETH quick swap liquidity pool, where 75.88 Helio is distributed with 0.01387 ETH, which would be worth $37.94. And over here you can see the total liquidity, which is approximately $14,000, and the total supply. You can also set your executive strategy, so you can set the amount you want to put in the boardroom and also the amount you want to put into the farms, and accordingly the Helio LP and the ETH share LP token will be distributed. We also have the ETH share Magic quick swap liquidity pool, and over here 0.22 ETH share token along with 4.78 Matic token will be distributed, which would be worth $7.93 right now. Helio Cash, that ended their genesis on September 5th, is a Tom fork on the Polygon network. One of the interesting thing to note is that the Polygon token has continued to climb over 300% while still being in bear market. The idea is to provide a means for its underlying asset Helio to maintain a value that will be algorithmically pegged to the value of Ethereum at 4,000:1 ratio. In the past 24 hours, the value has been pumped by 410%, so that is really amazing. Helio is essentially a native token of the Helio Cash protocol. Helio Cash multi-token protocol would consist of the following 4 tokens, and each would play a very important role on how the protocol works to maintain peg. So we have $Helio, which is designed for using in medium of exchange. It is also intended to have many use cases as this ecosystem grows. As you can see over here, Helio is pegged to Ethereum, where at a ratio of 4,000 Helio to 1 ETH. We have Helio share or $ETH share as well, which can be staked in boardroom, and you can use it to earn a portion of minted Helio as a reward to those shareholders for investing in the health and the stability of this protocol. In order to incentivize healthy liquidity pool for Helio Cash protocol tokens, their liquidity pool farms have been seeded with ETH share, which will be distributed as a reward to the stakers across a time period of 12 months. The total ETH share rewards are distributed from each farm as follows. Farms will continue rewarding ETH share until the max supply of ETH share, which is 28,000, is reached, and at which point the emissions will stop, and this is going to be in a year from when the ETH share farms will be started. There are currently 2 farm users can participate if you want to earn this token. So we got the Helio ETH liquidity pool, which you can use to earn ETH share. The daily APR is going to be 3.67%. Yearly APR is going to be 1,338%. The next pool we got is ETH share Matic token. So over here you can earn ETH share as well. The daily APR is going to be 6.4%. Yearly APR is currently set to 2,335%. Keeping in mind these slight slap and buying pressure, these will run quite fast. Just by providing liquidity to the farms, investors have the opportunity to earn a passive income and pay out in H shares. And in order to participate in this pool, you kind of have to purchase either Helio or H share token. Helio Cash is newer, just over a few weeks old. Also the fact that there is an easy opportunity for an investor to make 50% gain by scooping up some of these tokens, which is under a peg currently. Because as TVL increases, so will the price of this token. People can also stake Helio by staking what is called as a node. So there are several sizes of nodes, as you can see on my screen. There are currently 5 staking nodes available. All the staking nodes will be producing a similar ROI, but the larger your staking node, the larger multiplier bonus you are given. So we got Nano, which would be equal to 5 Helio, which is equal to 1 multiplier. We got Mini, which is equal to 1000 Helio, which would be equal to 2.1 multiplier. We got Kilo, which is 2000 Helio, which would be equal to 4.41 multiplier. We got Mega, which is 4000 Helio, equals to 9.261 multiplier. We got Giga, which is equal to 8000 Helio, equals to 19.4481 multiplier. Staking nodes are an early version of Helio validator nodes that they plan for the Helio EVM blockchain, which is coming in late 2022. The dollar Helio token used for purchase is then disposed into a reward pool and given back to staking node owners at 3% of the total pool per day for a total of 400% ROI. The rewards are paid from a global reward pool and supplemented by Treasury to maintain payouts and a stable APR. Having the ability to subsidize the reward pool in this manner guarantees node payouts over time. Now let's talk a bit about the boardroom. One thing to note is that staking H share will only give you Helio rewards when the price of Helio is above the peg. So 4000 Helio to 1 ETH is what we have, but not when it is under the peg. So you can take your Helio earns and make nodes and earn 400% APR on your nodes. There are 2 lockup timers, so one for Helio rewards and one for staked H share. Any interaction with the boardroom will reset both timers. The lockup period for withdrawing this token is 3 epochs, which is 18 hours, or 6 epochs, which is 36 hours to unstake H share token. Some of the terms you want to know if you are participating in boardroom are mentioned over here. So we got next epoch, which is the amount of time that is remaining until the next epoch happens. The number of current epochs happening right now, Hello Peg or TWAP. So TWAP basically means time weighted average price of the Hello Peg. The boardroom would only mint new Helio as reward for H share stakers when the value is above 1.01 at the end of current epoch. Next we have the APR, which is the yield of H share stakers in the boardroom if the boardroom was printing every epoch. This calculation will be based on the last recorded print in the boardroom as well. We got H share stake, which is the total amount of H share tokens currently staked in boardroom. We got Helio on, is the amount of Helio you have earned as a reward for staking this H share token in the boardroom. We got H share staked, which is the amount of H share you have currently staked in the boardroom. One thing that you should not forget is currently there has been 78,000 Helio burned from people buying H bounce, and the team announced on Thursday, September 29 that they will start to burn 10% of the total Helio supply for the next 7 weeks until 70% of the total Helio supply is burned. So quite exciting stuff, and this is the Twitter page of Helio Cash. They currently have 1037 followers, so not really bad. Over here they would make regular updates about the burns that are happening, new events that are coming up, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.